Good morning. I'm gonna start my workout. It's 7 a.m. already. So I finished my 45 minutes long workout and now I'm going to take a shower, get some iced coffee and start studying. So I took a shower. I'm not my best self right now. I'll drink my iced coffee and it's 8:30 already. So I'll start studying. So I'll see you once I'm done studying. It's 11:46 right now. I'll brush my hair and then I'll see you. So I brushed my hair, I applied some sunscreen, and I feel nice today. I only had an iced Americano in the morning, so it's safe to say that I still have an empty stomach. So I can take my supplements that are meant to be taken on an empty stomach. So I'll go downstairs, I'll fetch the supplements, and I'll take them. I'm going to lie down for a bit because I'm feeling hot and I'm sweating. So this is like my morning supplements. I know it's a lot. Summer is my enemy. I hate summer. I cannot stress this enough. But the way it makes me sweat because of SSRIs. So as it turns out, few of my parcels arrived early, so I'm going to give you a haul. I bought She Glam from Shein. These are 2 lip glosses. They are the same shade. It's Pink Slip. I really like the brownish color, so I want to experiment this because I am always a pink girly. I want to add brown to my palette. And then I have this cheek tint and lip tint from Ronzil. It's Petite Orchid. It's a very subtle color. That is why I bought it. And from Myntra, I bought this LA Pink Vanilla Mist. It was very cheap, so I bought it. And then I bought these 2 cute lip glosses. They came with a charm. They're cute, right? So that's that. And then I bought this book, Before I Knew I Loved You. You might know the book Before the Coffee Gets Cold. It has like 4 installments, and this is the 5th installment to it. So yes. And then for my laptop, I bought this Hello Kitty backpack. It's very cute. And of course, the Capybara magnetic bookmarks that I love. And I bought a vitamin D3 supplement along. It has vitamin K2 as well. So, yes. So it's a huge haul. So this all cost a lot of money. So I came downstairs to get my lunch and I got my lunch ready in a plate. It's chickpeas along with some vegetables. It's cucumber, tomatoes, onions, a little bit of avocado because my mom knows how much I like avocados. So this is my lunch. It's a chickpea salad and I like chickpea salad. Cheers. So I ate my lunch. Now it's time for my daytime medication. My heartbeat was high today as well, but it was relatively lower than yesterday, which is a good sign. And today I made some animation which is unique and I want to create creepypastas for my channel. So yes. So let's go downstairs and eat something. It's been 4 hours, maybe 5 hours and my head still hurts. It's because of migraine and maybe it's time I should take my migraine medication. I don't feel so good because my heartbeat is relatively lower, but it's still high. Today was not a productive day, I'd say. It was a sham. I hated today. But it's okay. Tomorrow will be better. So I have 2 tasks on me, which is to take Amanda out for a walk, take my medication. So these are pretty simple tasks, but I always skip out on medication. So I will not forget that. So I caught up with my friend today. He was a school friend of mine. We were in secondary together, like in class 10th. तो उस टाइम पे मुझे पढ़ाई का बहुत शौक था. Like उससे पहले से ही था हमेशा से. So he was telling me about my past and I felt I lost a part of me. I lost a part of myself which I used to like so much. Like being intellectual was one of the attributes I used to associate myself with. And now it's not, which felt bleak. I'll eat something good. I think we have avocados in my house. Mummy, avocado hai na? Yeah, so I'll eat avocado. I really like avocado. And आज मुझे Coke Zero finally मिल गई. मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ भोपाल में almost for about 3 weeks. pet bottle of Coke Zero was out, be it Big Basket, be it Blinkit, be it Instamart, I went bonkers. I just wanted Coke Zero. I even downloaded Flipkart just to get into Flipkart minutes to see if I can get myself Coke Zero. And मुझको Coke Zero नहीं मिल रही थी. I finally got Coke Zero and मैंने 8 बॉटलें मंगा के रख दी कि मुझे वही पीनी है. I just have to say avocado is like one of the best things that has happened to me. I love avocado. I cannot even comprehend my love for avocado. If I was like a person from the romantic era, I'd be writing love stories about avocados. So I'm brewing a cup of green tea for my mom. She's having a sore throat, so it might help her. I think I'll say this and you can take it with a grain of salt, but always hoping that your next day will be better is one thing you should live by. If today was not your day, just hope tomorrow is going to be better. If it's not, it's okay. Then there's a day after tomorrow. Just stay positive. Stay positive. There is something to life. I'm not saying there's some higher power or I'm going to make you believe into something, but I'm saying that there is something waiting for you and everything will be okay. So while the green tea is brewing, I'm thinking I'll take Amanda out for a walk and I'll call it a day early. I'll sleep at 11 p.m. today because I've been sleeping late. 2-3 बजे सोती हूँ जो कि अच्छी बात नहीं है. So I'll sleep early क्योंकि 7 बजे भी उठना रहता है. Someone asked me if I could make a video on answer writing for boards and I'm thinking I'll make this video very soon. तो मैं मोंड्रा को घुमा के आती हूँ. So मैंने मोंड्रा को वॉक करा दी है. अब मैं मेडिसिन लूंगी. So these are my nighttime meds and supplements. Today was uneventful, but I'll clean up my room. I'm done with the day and I'll go downstairs. I'll turn on the TV and I'll watch Taxi Driver because that's my favorite movie. I don't know why that is. You clearly know why, but we are going to pretend. I love Taxi Driver. I love Robert De Niro and I just love the movie. I'm really sorry to say, can we stop talking about Christopher Nolan for 1 or 2 minutes and say Martin Scorsese is a legend. See, Taxi Driver is a masterpiece and then Robert De Niro and Martin Scorsese again, they came up with The King of Comedy, which is a wonderful movie. I really like the movie. And the Taxi Driver credit also goes to Paul Schrader, who wrote Taxi Driver. And it was actually based on a real life person, Arthur Bremer. I really went down the rabbit hole for this movie. You talking to me? I've got some really bad ideas in my head. So I guess this is good night, guys. Please take care of yourself, eat well.